girl, you got it all wrong. You're 7 and you're not 10. And you are grade 2. Grade 2. Grade 2. And if you wait, supposed to be grade 5. You know that? My cousin, this is our secret camera. I said I don't let it down, but I let it down since I was 7 years old. Today I'm 10. Yeah, I'm 10. I'm 10. I'm 10. You see in the water. Hello, I'm under the water. Hello, I'm under the water. I'm under the water. Okay. I will remember those stage controller. The scam. The website that scam. This is totally horror. I'm just keep the battery up since I'm turned on the battery. The warning says don't turn on the battery. So sorry guys. Sorry.
Ay! Ayaw ko! Wag na! Sumay ka, diba?
Ting, ting, ting.
Aray! Aray! Kayla! Ikaw nga dito na. Pares kaming bulag na. Pares kaming malabo ang kanino. Hindi naman bulag. Ito malabo.
Diba sabi ko?
Bo! Ano tingnan? Gana ko yung tempo. Gana ko pa rin iwan ko. Uwi na naman ako nawala. Okay. Magkano ang pinamagamit? Dala ba ako ng maganda ka? May office na si Verge Street. Hindi kasama ni Sina mo. Gatas. Ano? Alam mo yung Watson doon? Taas. Kaya ka doon. Tatanungin sa'yo kung ano yung concern mo. Nag-buy na ako. At ilan na ang reklamo sa amin dito sa Gcash. Ang akala nila